Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can get Spotify Premium completely for free. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First things first, open up any of your browsers and search for Spotify Premium Free Lifetime. Then open up the first site that comes up in the search results. And here you can see Spotify is currently providing a 6-month free trial. To get it, simply click on the Start Trial button and you'll be redirected to the Sign In page. Since I've claimed it already, that's why I didn't get to login page. One thing worth mentioning is make sure you don't have an Spotify account already, or else your trial won't get activated. By following all the steps properly, you'll get a premium version of Spotify up to 6 months. So that's how you can get Spotify Premium completely for free. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.